Hi, and welcome to Wilderness Mokete. This is Samar with Sundowner Safaris. I'm really excited to show you this camp. This camp is pretty new. It opened last May, so May of 2024. So we're really in the first season of this camp. And it's in a unique location that hasn't historically been open for photographic safaris. We are kind of in between Chobe National Park and the Okavango Delta. This particular concession is quite large. There's about 50,000 hectares available to go on. Currently, there's only one camp here. It has 9 rooms. We'll show you our room. All the rooms here are identical. I think eventually there will be more rooms here, but currently there's 9. So I'm going to show you around our room. We're going to start right here. Each room at this property comes with its own plunge pool with a view out into the wilderness. And there is a main pool at this property as well, along with the plunge pool per room. This is, like most things in Botswana, a tented camp. So you'll notice the walls are made out of tent. However, it is a pretty nice structure, so come on in. Immediately upon entering your room, you have this living space that's available for you to hang out at during your siesta and stuff. And then over here you have a desk in case you need to get a little bit of work done with a beautiful view. They have left you this Okavango field guide, which is really interesting. You could go through here and look through the different animal species like birds that are in the area. As you'll notice right here, I actually have our helicopter tickets. So this camp, because it is so new, and at least for the foreseeable future, instead of taking a bush plane transfer in, which is pretty typical for these kind of remote camps in Botswana, you're coming here and leaving via helicopter. And so you get these just gorgeous views over Botswana inside of the helicopter, which is really fun, a fun way to come to camp. At the desk at the bottom, there is a South African plug. They do have adapters if you need one. And then over here, we have a tea and coffee station. So available to you here, they put water in your room, a kettle, tea, coffee, a French press, ice. And then when you come to the camp, you get your labeled wilderness water bottle that you can use if you're visiting other camps as well. You can take it with you. I'm really liking the decor of this particular room. They kind of went for like a modern African feel, which is really fun. You do have a ceiling fan over here, a regular freestanding fan. And then as you walk over into this section, this camp has the ability to be either a king bed, like we are currently set up, or 2 twins. Now, something that's pretty cool at this camp is that you do actually have an AC unit above your bed, which is really nice. And at night, this mosquito net is pretty thick. So as you close it, you kind of end up in this very comfortable AC-filled cocoon, which is quite nice. With, again, beautiful views out into the wilderness. Like many camps in the area, they do leave you a basket that you could leave your laundry for them, and then they pick it up in the morning and bring it back in the evening, which is nice, especially when you have luggage limits coming out here on the small planes and helicopters. Over here we have a shower with a beautiful view out into the wild. Double vanities here for you. And then over in this corner, you have a closet for any items you need to bring. And then we do have a little corner here. They left you some fun stuff, including a yoga mat, some free weights. And then there's also a bug spray here available to you and a hair dryer. And then over on this back far side is the toilet. So that's the room here at Mokete. This is the dining space here at Mokete. Then, if you walk past the dining space, There's this beautiful pool with lounge chairs. Viewing out into the wild. And then over here's the fire pit.